नमस्कार, मी लिंगे सर. इयत्ता 12वी सायन्स त्यामधील मॅथ्स पार्ट 2 मधील फर्स्ट टॉपिक डिफरन्शिएशन, त्यामधील फर्स्ट कन्सेप्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कंपोजिट नंबर. सो वी नो डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन किंवा or meaning of composite function. Composite function means function of the function. For example, y is equal to f of x. This is simple function, and y is equal to f of g of x. This is composite function. म्हणजे ह्या दोन्हीमध्ये काय फरक आहे, तर ह्या इथं फंक्शन मध्ये फंक्शन आहे. मग अशा फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा घ्यायचा? dy by dx is equal to f dash of x, that is f dash x, and dy by dx is equal to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. म्हणजे x च्या ठिकाणी g of x आलेला आहे नवीन फंक्शन. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला मूळच्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा आणि परत आज जे फंक्शन आहे त्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा, म्हणजेच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन. आता सेम तसं इथं उदाहरण घेतलेलं आहे. तर x च्या ठिकाणी इथं काय आलेलं आहे? x raised to n. इन प्लेस ऑफ x देयर इज x cube minus 2x minus 1. So, first of all use which formula? Derivative of x raised to n, that is power rule. Then again derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1. So, take differentiate dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. Y is expressed in terms of x, that is dy by dx. Use power rule. Power as it is x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. x raised to n चा फॉर्म्युला वापरला, दिलेली पॉवर आहे तशी, आणि परत 1 ने पॉवर काय केली? कमी केली, डिक्रीज केली. देन अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x cube minus 2x minus 1. x ऐवजी जे काही येईल त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे घ्यायचा? पुढे घ्यायचा, x raised to n. कंपेअर गिव्हन एक्झाम्पल विथ बेसिक फॉर्म्युले, that is x raised to n. In place of x there is x cube minus 2x minus 1. So take again derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1, that is dy by dx is equal to 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 into derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1. Use subtraction rule. Derivative of x cube 3x square by using power rule. Derivative of minus 2x minus 2 as it is, and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of minus 1 is 0 because 1 is constant. That is 5 into 3x square minus 2 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. This is final answer. Derivative of first example is 5 into 3x square minus 2 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. म्हणजे इथं या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय केलं? x ऐवजी जे काही येईल त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे घ्यायचा? पुढे घ्यायचा, म्हणजेच कंपोजिट फंक्शनचा काय असतो? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. Now, second example, root of x square plus 4x minus 7. So, let y is equal to root of x square plus 4x minus 7. We have to differentiate y with respect to x. That is, y is expressed in terms of x. So, by differentiating, we get dy by dx. We know which basic formula? Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x, that is 1/2 root x. आता ह्या फॉर्म्युलानुसार इथं x ऐवजी कोण आलेला आहे, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 4x मायनस 7, म्हणजे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पुढे घ्यावा लागेल. म्हणजे एक्स ऐवजी जे काही त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे घ्यायचा, पुढे घ्यायचा. नेक्स्ट, सो यूज दिस फॉर्म्युला. डेट ऑफ रूट एक्स 1/2 root x, that is 1/2 root x square plus 4x minus 7. In place of x, there is x square plus 4x minus 7. So take derivative of x square plus 4x minus 7. x ऐवजी जे काही त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे घ्यायचा, पुढे घ्यायचा. That is 1/2 root x square plus 4x minus 7 into derivative of x square 2x by using power rule. Derivative of 4x, 4 into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of minus 7 is constant, therefore derivative of minus 7 is 0. By taking 2 common, we get x plus 2 into x plus 2 into root of x square plus 4x minus 7. 2 cancel, we get x plus 2 upon root of x square plus 4x minus 7. This is final answer. We get final answer, that is differentiate given example with respect to x, we get this answer. Now third example, tan of cos of sin x. Let y is equal to tan of cos of sin x. Differentiate given function with respect to x, we get dy by dx and ddx of tan of cos of sin x. Compare given example with derivative of tan x. tan x, x ऐवजी कोण आलेले आहे, cos of sin x, म्हणजे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे घ्यावा लागेल, पुढे घ्यावा लागेल. सो derivative of tan x, sec square x. X means here cos of sin x, and in place of x there is cos of sin x. So derivative of cos of sin x, x ऐवजी जे काही त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे घ्यायचा, पुढे घ्यायचा. sec square cos of sin x and derivative of cos of sin x minus, आता मायनस मी इथे लिहितो, मायनस cos of sin x म्हणजे cos x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ cos x minus sin x, that is minus sin of sin x, but there is sin x in place of x. x ऐवजी कोण आहे, sin x. So take derivative of sin x. x ऐवजी कोण आलेला आहे, sin x आलेला आहे, म्हणून x sin x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पुढे घेतला. मायनस x स्क्वेअर cos of sin x as it is and derivative of sin x cos x. We get final answer of example number 3. Now example number 4, differentiate given example with respect to x. So let y is equal to given function, then differentiate given function with respect to x, we get dy by dx. First of all, simplify this function, we get y is equal to e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x. Convert negative power into positive power. e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x. Convert negative power into positive power. Y is equal to, by subtracting these two fractions, we get e raised to 4x minus 1 divided by e raised to 2x divided by take addition of these two fractions, we get e raised to 4x plus 1 divided by e raised to 2x. By simplification, we get e raised to 4x minus 1 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1. Use quotient rule because of there is numerator and denominator. How will you use quotient rule? dy by dx is equal to, first of all, square of denominator e raised to 4x plus 1 square, and in numerator, first of all take derivative of numerator. So denominator as it is, e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is, and derivative of e raised to 4x minus 1, e raised to 4x, derivative of e raised to 4x, e raised to 4x, but instead of 4x there is, instead of x there is 4x, so derivative of 4x is 4 and derivative of minus 1 is 0 because minus 1 is constant, minus e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is, that is numerator as it is, and derivative of denominator, derivative of e raised to 4x, but instead of x there is 4x, so derivative of 4x is 4 and derivative of plus 1 is 0. By simplification, dy by dx, we get 4 e raised to 4x plus 1 minus 4 e raised to 4x minus 1 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 bracket square. By multiplication, we get 4, take out 4 common, or e raised to 4x into e raised to 4x e raised to 8x plus 4 e raised to 4x minus 4 e raised to 8x minus plus 4 e raised to 4x divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 bracket square plus 4 e raised to 8x minus 4 e raised to 8x cancel, and plus 4 8 e raised to 4x divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 bracket square. Example number 5, log of root of 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. Question is differentiate with respect to x. So let, given example, let y is equal to log of root of 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. First of all, simplify given example, log of root of, by multiplying 1 minus sin x to numerator and denominator, we get 1 minus sin x bracket square divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. By multiplying 1 minus sin x to numerator and denominator, we get this one. Y is equal to log of root of 1 minus sin x bracket square divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sin square x, a square minus b square means square of 1 minus square of sin x, that is 1 minus sin square x, and 1 minus sin square x means cos square x. By simplification, we get log of square root of 1 minus sin x bracket square sin x divided by and root of cos square x 1 minus square root of 1 minus sin x bracket square 1 minus sin x and square root of cos square x cos x. By simplification, log of 1 upon cos x sec x and sin x upon cos x, we get tan x. Then differentiate given example with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of log of sec x minus tan x. Use composite rule. Instead of sec x minus tan x, instead of x there is sec x minus tan x. x ऐवजी कोण आलेला आहे sec x minus tan x. So again derivative of sec x minus tan x. First of all, use which formula? Derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x, that is 1 upon sec x minus tan x, and derivative of sec x minus tan x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sec x minus tan x as it is, and use addition rule. Derivative of sec x tan x minus derivative of tan x sec square x. By taking common, we get dy by dx is equal to sec x common, remaining part tan x minus sec x divided by sec x minus tan x as it is. dy by dx, take out minus sign common, minus sec x become plus sec x, plus tan x become minus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x. These two brackets are same, so cancel these two brackets. Finally, we get dy by dx is equal to minus sec x. This is final answer of last example. In this video, we have solved 5 examples. Similarly, solve remaining example. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काय केलेलं आहे, नमुना म्हणून 5 प्रश्न सोडवलेले आहेत. राहिलेले एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही ह्या 5 एक्झाम्पलचा आधार घेऊन सोडवा. हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि यापुढील सर्व व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी प्रज्ञा मॅथ्स चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.